how to lock Facebook profile in one step. So if you want to lock your Facebook profile, then what you need to do is simply open up your Facebook, go for the upper right, which has that three band icon, go for your profile, and simply tap on the three dots, which is here on the right side, and here you will have profile lock option. But if you don't have that profile lock option, then make sure that your account is not a business account, because if you have a business account, then simply switch to a personal account. Here from your profile, tap on the three dots, which is on the right side, tap on turn off professional mode, and then continue, and then turn off again, and tap on close, reload your page, and once you've turned off your professional mode, go for the right side, which has that three dots icon, and tap on lock profile, and then again tap on lock your profile, and that's it. Tap on OK and your profile has been locked. So that's how you can lock your profile in one step. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.